Skeleton Hiccups. Skeleton woke up. Hic, hic, hic. Had the hiccups. Hic, hic, hic. Took a shower. Brushed his teeth. Hic, hic, hic. Look at what happened. He hiccuped so hard, his teeth came flying out. He polished his bones. That's how he dries off, huh? Hic, hic, hic. Still hiccuping. He carved a pumpkin. Hic, hic, hic. Still hiccuping. He raked some leaves. Hic, hic, hic. He played with Ghost. Hic, hic, hic. Ghost told Skeleton, "Hold your breath." So he's holding his breath. Hic, hic, hic. That didn't work. He still got hiccups. Eat some sugar. Hic, hic, hic. That didn't work. Press your fingers over your eyeballs. Hic, hic, hic. Drink some water upside down. Hic, hic, hic. Well, still got hiccups. Ghost made a face. Hic, hic, hic. Boo! Hic, hic, hic. He's trying everything to get rid of those hiccups. But nothing worked. The hiccups stayed. Hic, hic, hic. Then Ghost got smart. I wonder what Ghost is looking for in there. Found a mirror. Hic, hic, hic. Held it up. Hic, hic, hic. Skeleton screamed. Hic, hic, hic. He saw himself and it scared him. The hiccups left. Hic, hic, hic. They jumped away. Hic, hic, hic. Hooray! The end.